Well, we got the first coat of the engine bay front of the car done on the DC2 K-Swap. Got that done. Laid down some slick paint. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. That look good, man.